Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I welcome you all in Abstract's online support program. This is class 1. Textbook required Sly Fox and Red Hen, pages number 26 till 27. Resources required laptop, computer, cell phones and textbook. Introduction of the lesson. This story is about two characters, Sly Fox and Red Hen. Sly Fox was hungry and he wanted to catch Red Hen. Thought of the day. Our today's thought of the day is be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. It means, my dear students, try to develop the habit of being kind in any situation and try to be helpful with others. Our today's subject is English literature. Our today's topic is Sly Fox and Red Hen. Objective. Our today's objective is, today we will read and describe the story with the help of picture. Success criteria. To achieve this objective, our success criteria will be: watch the video carefully, read the text again and again. Recall. Let's recall this story that what we have read before. Red Hen lived in a little house in the tree. Sly Fox wanted to catch and eat her. One day, he hid himself in Red Hen's little house in her absence. When she came back, Sly Fox put her in his big black bag. Sly Fox was tired and sat down to rest. As he went to sleep, Red Hen jumped out of the bag. Red Hen put some heavy stones in the fox bag. Then she ran home. Picture description. Now let's see the picture and discuss what is happening in the picture. Now, my dear students, I am giving you 1 minute. Observe the picture very carefully. Yes, there is a fox. He is holding a big black bag. What is inside the bag? What can you see inside the bag? Is it Red Hen or stones? Yes, there are some stones. Why there are stones and where is the Red Hen? Very good. Red Hen put some stones in the big black bag and saved her life by running out from there. What is this? This is a cooking pot. Cooking pot is on the flame. And what is inside the cooking pot? Yes, there is water boiling in the cooking pot. There is one table and there is one recipe book on the table. There is one spoon too. And Fox is looking very excited because he will be having a very delicious meal after cooking it. Now, let's read the text. Sly Fox and Red Hen, page number 26. Sly Fox tipped the bag into the cooking pot. Then he said, I am the fox, I am the fox, I am really sly. I want to eat you. Say goodbye. Now, let's learn some new vocabulary that you have read in the text. Number 1, tipped. It means the pointed or rounded end. I repeat, tipped. It means the pointed or rounded end. Cooking pot. It means any vessel such as a saucepan with or without lid. I repeat, cooking pot. Any vessel such as a saucepan with or without lid. Sly. It means cunning. I repeat, sly means cunning. Critical thinking questions. Now, think the questions and try to give the answers. Question number 1. Is it good to be sly with your friends? Why? Next, what should be our attitude with others? Question number 3. How should people treat us? Now let's take a quick recap that what we have learned today. We learned what has Sly Fox brought home in the bag. Yes, Sly Fox has brought a bag filled with stones. Yes, my dear students, Fox thinks that he has brought a bag filled with Red Hen, but what happens, Red Hen, to save her life, she put some heavy stones in the bag and she ran away to her home. What is he trying to cook? He is trying to cook a hen. But what happened? When Fox is trying to cook a hen, what was inside the bag? Is it a hen or some stones? Yes, there are some stones in the bag. Next, why is the fox excited? He is excited for a delicious meal. Home assignment. Do page number 26 twice for handwriting practice on a loose sheet or in notebook. Draw and color the bag and a cooking pot on the loose sheet. Discuss what is similar in both the things. I hope you have enjoyed this story. Take a very good care of yourself. Thank you.